Right, now the next problem. This bit in the middle is welded there and plugged in there and plugged in there and welded there. And after that, this adjuster knob is welded along its whole length here. So, and then this thing gets in the way, which I don't know what it's for. So on to plan the next one. Right, because you don't need to see half an hour of angle grinding and stuff like that, I've taken that side off. Obviously I've gone a bit deep with that with the angle grinder to cut those bits off. So next step is oil the holes up and grind them smooth again. This side not quite done yet, but it's a work in progress. There's a pile of bits, which should have been one bit which is all welded together, but that's how many bits you need to cut it off. Okay, back to the grind. Alright, so that's one off. And something interesting, if your seat is getting stuck, these little plastic things, which you can't really see quite good here, but you can see better here, if they come out of the little slots, the seat won't go fast because they're stuck. So this seat wasn't moving backwards or forwards. That one there and that one there had popped out. So now to get this runner off, I literally just got to slide it over and it will just slide that way and it will come out. As you can see, I've had to get a bit dramatic because there's no way you were getting them off. Right, that's this side. As you can see, there's bits of weld, bit there. Just cleaned it all off. That bit sticking out I will sort out, but it doesn't get in the way. But I'll give it a clean, paint it all up, and then once I've welded this bit here, because as you can probably see, oh no, hang on, it's a bit deep. So yeah, I don't want to be putting anyone at risk with those bits of metal missing. So I'm just going to drop a bead of weld in there, and next time you see this, we paint up. Only problem is my missus is going to go crazy because it's going to be day number 4. Damn. What I'll probably do is chop these rivets out. Don't know where I'm going to get replacement rivets or how I'm going to rivet them in, but that's the stop. There's 2 rivets down there, and literally that just controls that motor there, controls the backward and forward motion. So hopefully what will happen is that all that gubbins will fit onto that runner, but if it doesn't, then guess what? Oops. And there's the pile of bits minus the other side of that. But yeah, that all came out quite easy when I wasn't being so delicate. Much easier to just chop them off where they're in the way and then grind them off afterwards.